Everybody on the count of three. What? Everybody. On the count of three, say, wake up, RK. 1, 2, 3, wake up, RK. Oh, no. Wait, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, wake up, RK. Oh, I knew someday that I might have to do this. Oh, RK. Oh, I gotta give him a resuscitation.
He's just playing a trick.
Oh, I hate this. Oh, RK. Yeah, you were awake. Oh, hey, get back up here. You got an impression yet to do. Okay?
What's he doing?
Okay. All right. Oh, you're digging that music, huh? Yeah. Are you going to cut a rug later? Yeah, that means he's going to go out there and dance. Maybe you'll see him with a dance one. Do not step on him. He's really squishy, okay?
Step on him.
No, you don't want to step on him. Good. He gets
Yes,
flat.
I will.
Oh, good.
He's creepy.
Yeah, all right. Well, here's RK's favorite impression. You ready? Yeah. All right, go ahead, RK. Okay. Go ahead. All right. Come on, do your impression. Okay. Right now. All right, here he is. He's going to do his impression right now. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. He's one of the very few possums that can actually swallow his nose. He doesn't have to pick boogies. He just licks them out of his nose.
Oh, Sydney, that's gross, right?
All right, RK. What's the matter, RK? What's the matter? I'm stuck. What?
He's stuck.
Stuck? Yeah. How am I going to unstick you?
I got Theo.
Crank my tail. What? Crank my tail. Crank your tail. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Ew. So what do? Just crank it? Yeah. Like that? Yeah. Like that? Whoa! What's the matter? Too much! You mean, well, how do you do to fix that? Oh, RK, he did it again. I fixed it. I'm going to put RK